Good morning students, welcome to the St. Thomas School. Today we are going to learn Standard 3 English Grammar, Lesson number 7, Comparison. Page number 21. In our previous video we have completed our exercise A. Complete the table. Adjective, ER form of adjective and EST form of adjectives. Adjective, comparative degree of adjective and superlative degree of comparison. Loud, louder and loudest, short, shorter and shortest. Okay, so today we are going to start exercise B. Underline the correct adjectives from the ones given in brackets. What you have to do in this exercise? You can see here students. Here in every sentence there is three adjectives are given, you can see. And you have to choose correct adjectives to complete the sentence. Let's see first sentence. A whale is large, larger and largest than an elephant. So you can see here students, in this sentence we are comparing two animals. We are comparing whale with elephants. So we have to use comparative degree of adjectives, ER form of adjective. A whale is larger than an elephant. And you know students, when there is a comparative degree of comparison, in most of the sentence then comes after the adjectives. Always there is a then comes after the adjectives. Like you can see here students. Loud, louder than. Louder than. Shorter than. Safer than. Wetter than. Okay. So when you see then into the sentence, you have to use ER form of adjectives. The tortoise is the slow, slower and slowest animal I know. In this sentence, here we are comparing tortoise with all the animals. So, here we are comparing more than 2. So, we have to use superlative degree of comparison. So, the tortoise is the slowest animal I know. And you know students, when there is a superlative degree of comparison, there is always comes the before the adjectives. The slowest animal I know. The tortoise is the slowest animal I know. You can see the shortest, the safest, the wettest, the lowest and the largest. Okay. Now the next. My skipping rope is dash than yours. So here we have then. So what we have to use? Longer, comparative degree of comparison. My skipping rope is longer than yours. You can also see that here we are comparing two people, between two. My skipping rope and your skipping rope. Okay. Fourth one. A feather is very light, lighter and lightest. So you can see here students, there is no comparison between anything, anyone. A feather is very light. Okay. So here we have neither than or nor the into the sentence. So a feather is very light. My sister is young, younger, youngest than me. You can see we have then here. So younger. My sister is younger than me. Here we are comparing two people, sister with me. Okay. So complete this exercise as a homework. Next one. Some adjectives change in special way to show comparison. They do not follow any pattern. You can see here students. These are some adjectives. They do not follow any pattern. You can see good, better and best. Like you can see here. loud, louder and loudest. We have loud in all the degree. So it's follow some patterns. But here good, better and best. So these all words do not follow any pattern. Bad, worse and worst. Little, less and least. Many, more and most. So you have to memorize all these words. Okay. So write these words 2 times in your book and memorize it. Exercise C. Fill in the blanks with appropriate adjectives from the brackets and complete the sentence. First one. Nikhil's project was dash than everybody else. You can see here students. We have then here. So what we have to use? We have to use comparative degree of comparison. You can see. Good, better and best. So we have to use better. Nikhil's project was better than everybody else. This is the best play I have ever seen. You can see we have here. So this is the worst play I have ever seen. Sachin Tendulkar is the best talented batsman I know. We have the here. So most superlative degree of comparison. Sachin Tendulkar is the most talented batsman I know. Now this bottle contains dash water. Here this is not given. So we have to use more. The bottle contains more water, yet it takes up less space inside the fridge. Okay. So complete this exercise with this. Our lesson and video completed. Okay students. So in your homework you have to complete exercise B, exercise C and also write this word 2 times in your book. Okay. Thank you.